Today, we will teach you how to make an eye. First, smooth the surface by rolling it flat. Then, take out the large primary blade. Press to create a depth at the halfway point on the surface of the clay. This is the position of the nasal root. Additionally, try to flatten the upper half as much as possible. Press to create a depth at the position of the nasal bridge and the inner corner of the eye. Smooth the area of the eye. Deepen the connection between the brow bone and bridge of the nose. Take out the medium round rod. Smooth the transition at the corner positions. Then, continue to use the large primary blade to press out the outline of the eye. Smooth the material around the eye. Take out the metal detail stick. Smooth all surfaces. Next, use our large primary blade to create a curvature of the upper eyelid. The first layer is actually the double eyelid. The second layer is indeed the outline of the eye. Then continue to take out the metal eye-opening knife. Deepen at the position of the inner contours. Use the small primary blade. Continue to delineate the lines of the lower half of the eye. Then continue to use the tool to adjust the smoothness of its surface. Strive to ensure that after each step, the surface remains smooth. Take out the silicone pen. Continue to deepen the position of the inner cancers because the upper eyelid covers the lower eyelid. Take out the eye-opening knife and smooth and flatten the eyeball. Also, press to create the depth of the lateral cancers as much as possible. Now, the production steps for the eye have been essentially completed. There are still some minor adjustments to follow. This will require us to take time and make gradual, meticulous refinements. If you like today's video, please remember to give it a like and share it. Additionally, if you wish to create other shapes as well, you may also leave a message in our comment section.